Hello, my darklings. Kira Coffin, the Haunted Hostess, here to tell you all about a group of YouTubers dedicated to bringing real paranormal content to all of you. PRYIS, Paranormal Researchers on YouTube Integrity Society. Make sure you check out the description box for links to all the PRYIS family members. If you are interested in joining this group, please feel free to email me at thehauntedhostessvc@gmail.com. Hello, my darklings, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Kira Coffin, the Haunted Hostess. We have today a unboxing of 3 static nodes that I ordered from Supernatural Inc. And Katie was so kind as to put my order in the this little Christmas box here. So it's pretty cute. Okay, so I'll be right back. I swear, Katie glitter bombed me because I actually initially opened this package in the car and had all this glitter all over me. So here we go. There was also a couple of gifts that were included in the package. So this has amethyst quartz, rose quartz, and that's a really cool necklace pendant. I actually work with resin as well, so that's kind of funny. And then he sent me, see, glitter, lots and lots of glitter. This guy here, and this actually is, let me see if I can get this to stay open for you guys to be able to read it. So this says, okay, so that's for this guy. And I got 3 static nodes, so I'm gonna have to stop this again so that I can use my other hand there. Okay, so 9-volt battery goes in there, and then so let me read the information that was sent to me here. And okay, where'd I go? Supernatural Inc. Paranormal and Technology. Lights will dim or go out when static is detected. May take 3 to 5 minutes to light up. 9-volt battery. 9-volt battery not included. So that was the one of the reasons why I couldn't do anything more while I was out today, is because I forgot to take my gear bag with my rechargeable batteries. So I will most likely get the batteries in these guys and get them set up so that you can see how they actually work. So I love the neon green. It was either the neon green or the purple, and since they had the neon greens already made up, I went with the neon green. But yeah, neon green and purple black are my favorite colors. So I will be back once I get batteries in them. Okay guys, I'm back, and I have the 9 volts in them. You can see everybody's glowing. Now, if the static energy around these were to change, the lights will go out. So watch. Wait. See? Out. 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 Okay, so the theory would be obviously that if a spirit were to come around these, that they would also dim and go out the longer the spirit, or the closer the spirit or energy would be to these static nodes. So these should be really fun. I'm going to be trying them out with a few sessions that I do, and let's see if they can use these to give me yes or no answers. So there you go.